Got it.
Hi, welcome to the new, improved and safe Confidental. We'll be giving a little video demonstration on what to expect in the next coming weeks and months when Confidental is back up and running at full speed. Just a couple of things just to point out. You will be sent an email giving you guidance as to what you should or should be doing. A couple of things, if you can, please use the toilet facilities in the loo at home. We'll be limited the amounts here. Please, if you can, complete the online questionnaire either by text or with the email QR code sent to your before your appointment. And if you have any symptoms of COVID, please give us a call and please try and cancel your appointment and call 111 to get checked out. So what we're going to do now is just give you a quick video of what to expect. So we have Helen here today, and Helen is going to be our pretend patient for today. And so, as you can see, there's 2 meter social distancing rules in place in the practice. The appointments are by appointment only. Please don't walk in. Calling is best, and we're more than happy to help you as best we can. Please wait at the entranceway, and we will assist you in. So, Helen, come on through. As you can see, Helen is wearing a face mask or a face covering, and this is to protect herself as well as protecting the rest of the team. Lou here is Lou, but she's wearing some different attire, and that's to protect herself as well as yourselves when you come to see us at the practice. Okay. The welcome station has a couple of small changes now. We've got hand sanitizer that we can use to clean our hands. We ask you to wipe your feet as best to make sure there's no dirt coming into the building. Lou will now demonstrate the use of a temperature gun to check your temperature before you enter the building. Perfect, and the green light means that Helen is okay to come in.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. We have a touchless kiosk to check in with, and using the email confirmation code you have, you can hold it just there. At the camera, perfect. And that's Helen checked in. We will try to encourage you to go straight to the surgery so you're on time for your appointment. We have limited seating available should you need it. That again will be with social distancing in place. So 1 person per sofa, please. Helen, could you go straight into your appointment with Vishal? And so if you follow me through. Vishal is our resident dentist, and he is dressed in suitable PPE to protect yourselves as well as himself. He's wearing a gown, a mask, a respiratory valve and some gloves, and that's to make sure that you are all protected. Temperature will be retaken again. We'll be using a temperature gun and recorded on the system. Thank you, Vishal. We have a box here for you to keep your belongings in. We have small bags for mobile phones. Thank you. And these will be sealed during the appointment. During the appointment, we will be carrying out the treatment as necessary. At the moment, we are limited as to what we can and can't do. Guidance is ever changing, and as soon as we're allowed to do more, we will allow that to happen. After every procedure, we will be using a special machine to kill off any potential COVID within the building. This is a fogging machine producing a mist gas which will kill off all COVID bacteria and viruses within the surgery after every use. This is left on for a minute or so, and left to settle for 15 minutes before it is reused again. This is to stop any potential COVID transference between patients and appointments. Thank you, Vishal.
And just show the front desk.
Once we are finished with the appointment, you'll be directed to the front desk. We have Amy here, and she will be helping you with payments. Payments preferably are card. Cash we can accept, but our preference is card. Protect our staff, please. We will be using cling film single use on all the terminal pads, and screens as well in place to make sure that there's no transference, and we have alcohol gel here. On your way out, you'll be directed to the a single point exit point, which is this one here, following the lines. you'll be asked to use alcohol gel before you exit. Perfect.
Bye, Helen.
Thank you very much, Helen. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Thank you for your support up to now. It's been quite difficult for everyone, but we're here to help you as best we can and keep it as safe as possible. Thank you, keep safe, and see you soon.